Welcome back. This is Dave Espino, and today I would like to answer the question, do online course creators think everyone is qualified to create and sell online courses? Well, that's kind of a loaded question because you're kind of generalizing that all online course creators think the same, and that's definitely not true. Within the online course creating world, there are people who believe that you can only teach online courses if you have incredible credentials. And these people tend to be the more technical online course creators. In other words, they're teaching on technical topics like programming or engineering or analysis or Excel or things like that. And then there's the other side of the spectrum that says anyone can teach. And I fall closer to the bottom side of the spectrum of saying that anyone can teach. And the reason is we all teach people all the time. If you're a parent, you're teaching your kids. If you work as a manager somewhere, you're teaching the people that work with you, right? So we're all teachers to some degree or another. The question is, what are you teaching? So yes, if you're teaching life-saving CPR skills, you better be qualified and you better be credentialed and you better really know your stuff, right? But if you're teaching somebody how to bake chocolate chip cookies, just about anyone can teach that, right? So the question is, what are you teaching? What is the topic that you're teaching? We need to boil down this question to what is it that you're teaching? If I learned a cool strategy for selling on Amazon and I've implemented it in my business and I've proven it to work and it works amazingly well, why am I not qualified to teach that, right? You can teach that. If you're talking about some incredible programming language, some really technical programming language, then for sure I'm not qualified to teach that. I'm not a programmer. And at that point, yes, you should have somebody that's very qualified. So let's not be overgeneralizing with the online course business. Let's really treat it on an individual case-by-case basis. If I want to teach how to bake sourdough bread, like my good friend Teresa Greenway, and I'm good at baking sourdough bread, then why can't I teach sourdough bread, right? If I've developed a strategy that works in my business and it's generated a 2x or a 5x profit in my business, why can't I teach that, right? So again, getting back to the question, do online course creators think everyone is qualified to create and sell online courses? I think the question is overgeneralized, but the point is, I believe there's a range, a spectrum, and only a certain percentage of the online courses out there really require high credentials to teach. I would say a good percentage, probably 70 to 80% of the courses that are taught right now in the world do not require high credentials or some incredible, degree or anything like that to teach. We're quickly moving into a world, because of technology and because of the internet, we're quickly moving into a world where your skills are going to be yours that you've developed primarily on your own, where your skills did not come from a school or a degree or some kind of specialized training. We're quickly moving into that world. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. So, as time goes on, more and more people will need less and less credentials to teach. And that's just the way things are going. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the online course business or want to learn more about it, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.